Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add SharePoint quick links step by step. This is on SharePoint Online. First thing you need to do is open your SharePoint page in edit mode. Up in the top right corner, you'll see an edit button, click that. Once you click it, the page switches to edit mode and you'll notice a toolbox appears on the right side of your screen. That's where we'll grab the quick links web part. Over in that toolbox on the right, you'll see a list of web parts you can add to your page. Scroll through and look for quick links, or if you want to find it faster, use the search box at the top of the toolbox and type quick links. Once you spot it, click on quick links to add it to your page. The web part drops onto your page with a placeholder title and you'll see an option to add links. Before we add links, you can customize the title if you want. At the top of the quick links web part, you'll see the default quick links title. Just click on it and type whatever title you want to use. That step's optional, but it helps if you're organizing different sets of links. Next, choose your layout. Right above the quick links area, you'll see layout options. There are 6 different styles to pick from: compact, film strip, grid, button, list, and tiles. Click on the one that fits how you want your links to look. The web part changes its appearance as soon as you select a layout. Now let's add your first link. Inside the quick links web part, click the button that says add links with a plus sign in front of it. A dialog opens up showing you different places you can pull links from recent files, OneDrive, your site, and a few others. For this example, we'll use from a link, since that lets you paste any URL you want. Click on From a Link, paste your URL into the field, then click Insert. Once you insert the link, the toolbox on the right switches to Show Link Properties. This is where you can customize things like the link title, add a description, change the thumbnail image, or set it to open in a new tab. The options you see here depend on which layout you picked earlier. Some layouts show more customization options than others. To add more links, just click Add Links again and repeat the process. Choose your source, insert the link, and customize it in the Properties panel. You can add as many as you need, though best practice is to keep it between 8 and 12 links per web part so it doesn't get overwhelming. Once you've added all your links, head up to the top right and you'll see a Publish button, click that. The page exits edit mode and your quick links are now live for everyone with access to the site. A couple quick tips before we wrap up: if you need to edit a link later, just go back into edit mode, hover over the link, and click Edit at the bottom of it. You can delete links using the trash can icon next to each one. And if you want to reorder them, either drag and drop using the move icon, or use Ctrl plus the left or right arrow keys to shift them around. One thing to note, you can't reorder links if you're using the film strip layout. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.